Hey folks, it is Friday, August 18th, 11:54 a.m. is the time, and the temperature here at the Canadian National Exhibition in Toronto is around 28 degrees Celsius. And there is a look up at the Sky Ride. There's a fellow YouTuber, Action Kid. And for this video, I'm going to take a ride across the Midway on the Sky Ride. And I believe Action Kid is going to be doing the same. I've done this the past 2 years here. You can find those videos on the channel if I remember to. I'll link them in the description of this one. This is pretty much my favorite ride, at least from a recording point of view.
The Sky Ride does not stop. Please organize your party.
So I was able to buy a deal where you get 8 ride tickets, where each ticket gets you 1 ride.
Keep your hands close to your chest until the safety bars have been closed by the attendant. Please keep in mind, this is a one-way ride only. Enjoy your ride.
For $24.
Please organize your party and help your children to be seated. Children under 42 inches tall must be accompanied by a responsible adult. Face forward. Sit down.
I don't know why I was trying to walk around.
Keep your hands to your chest until the safety bars have been closed by the attendant. And enjoy your ride.
Oh, sorry.
Please watch the guests that are now loading, so you have a better understanding of our loading procedure. Face forward and sit down on the seat when it arrives. Keep your hands close to your chest until the safety bars have been closed by the attendant. Please keep in mind, this is a one-way ride only. And enjoy your ride.
You all ready?
Welcome to the Sky Ride. Remember, the Sky Ride does not stop. Please organize your party. 2 adult riders per seat. The car will approach from the rear.
She took it.
Forward and sit down on the seat.
Yeah, that lady took my ticket.
Keep your hands close to your chest until the safety bars have been closed.
I bought the 24 ticket, or the $24 8 ticket. She took it. Yeah, she took it.
Enjoy your ride.
Thank you.
Please organize your party and help your children to be seated. Children under 42 inches tall must be accompanied by a responsible adult. Face forward, sit down on the seat when it arrives.
That was weird. I don't think he was expecting that. She would have taken my ticket. But here we are once again on the Sky Ride at the 2024 edition of the Canadian National Exhibition. What's up, AK? Did you break the ride? There must have been a loading or unloading issue, probably unloading. It didn't look like there were any issues on this side. Now the ride's just started about an hour ago. It's 11:58 and the ride started at 11. And the crowds are always a bit light on opening day. So it's a great time to come, especially early on. You can get on a lot of the rides without much of a lineup. And on the left, BMO Field, home to the Toronto FC of Major League Soccer, as well as the Toronto Argonauts of the Canadian Football League. And Ontario Place, which is undergoing a massive and somewhat unfortunate redevelopment, is just to the south over there. And there's the Budweiser stage. There's a good view at the stadium. Looks like it's currently configured for Canadian football. And in a few years' time, they'll be hosting World Cup games there. The stadium will be expanded, I think, to over 40,000 capacity. Yeah, so that deal for opening day only was for $24, you got 8 ride tickets. And each ride ticket will get you on any ride you want. There's a log flume ride. Make sure this guy hasn't fallen off his seat yet. come back here on the weekend, the midway is going to be rammed. And I just did a video walking through the CNE grounds on opening day as we look at the Niagara Falls log flume ride. Oh, there is already quite a lineup for the Ferris wheel. There used to be a permanent wooden roller coaster called the Flyer, just in that spot over there. And there was another one of these rides called the Alpine Way that I think met its demise in the 90s. And that was a permanent ride. At least it was a permanent installation. It still only operated for the 2 weeks that the CNE does. And that went along the northern end of the property. See a lot of the equipment they use for staging. Here's the Enercare Center. Action Kid behind us. I want to wave, but I also don't want to take my hands off the camera. But this is about as light as the crowd will get, unless there's a heavy rain or something like that. There's the Euro Slide. I think the Mega Drop is one of my favorite rides here. It doesn't seem to be operating. And this stretch we're going over now leads us to the Prince's Gates. And this is also used in the annual Indy race. Curly fries with dipping sauce. The CNE is known for some of the more creative food options you'll find at a big fair like this. We are hanging and not moving. You broke the ride again. I'm holding on to this camera for dear life as I dangle it off the back. Just chilling on the Sky Ride. We're almost at the end. We'll be off in a few minutes. That's it for the Midway. And I think that is just about the ugliest damn thing I've ever seen. That is Hotel X. For such a prominent location, not surrounded by any other tall buildings, I really think they could have done something a little better with the design of that. It looks like a suburban convention center from the 1980s. And there's that classic view straight ahead, the Prince's Gates off in the distance, the CN Tower splitting a couple of condos. I think that's a drinking area. All right, I've got my bag ready.
Your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now. Queue for riding. Please remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now. Please watch the guests.
So far, all the staff here have been extremely friendly.
Face forward and sit down on the seat when it arrives on your left. Keep your hands close to your chest.
There is Action Kid. How'd you like it?
It was amazing.
You gonna do it again, you think?
I think I will, yeah.
Well, you heard it from Action Kid. It was amazing.
Please remove your hands from the handrails.
What I think I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna come back at night and do a sky ride as well.
Exit now.
But that is it for the Sky Ride. I hope you enjoyed this one. Do let me know your thoughts and comments down below. If you wish to support what I do on YouTube, there's links to my Patreon and YouTube channel membership down in the description. I've got an Instagram account at Johnny Strides, and there is a super thanks button appearing down below if you wish to say thanks that way. Action Kid is signing off on his video. If you want to see a inferior sky ride, you can tune into his channel. Just kidding. I'm sure his was very good. Anywho, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Yoink.